You probably heard by now that Kanye West, who now goes by Ye, made several anti-Semitic remarks on Twitter that led to his ban on the social media platform. And it seems like there's no one in sight as he keeps doubling down on these remarks in several media interviews and has even attempted to buy Parler, a right-wing oriented social media platform where essentially he would continue in this rhetoric. Kanye's anti-Semitic remarks have led to a rise in anti-Semitism across the country, including in LA, where these banners were posted over the 405 freeway. Now, of course, being the celebrity that Kanye is, he's been associated with a number of different brands, including Balenciaga, Gap, and Adidas. Well, a few days ago, Balenciaga officially announced that in light of his anti-Semitic remarks, they were officially cutting ties with Kanye West. And if that weren't enough, CAA, which is the agency responsible for helping Kanye West tour around the country, also announced earlier today that they were cutting ties because of his anti-Semitic remarks. Now, Gap is out of the picture because about a month ago, Kanye West ended his partnership with Gap. However, Adidas continues to remain silent on the matter. Now, how was it that Balenciaga and CAA were able to end their partnership with Kanye West? Well, odds are that at the time that Kanye West contracted with both of these companies, they entered into an agreement that may have contained a morals clause. Morals clauses are a pretty under-the-radar clause in contracts, and that's mainly because you only see them in contracts between celebrities and brands. And the essence of a morals clause is that a celebrity will not do anything scandalous, illegal, or criminal in nature. Otherwise, if they do, that could give the brand cause to terminate the relationship with that celebrity. We've seen the morals clause in action in more ways than you probably thought. We saw this with Nike and Lance Armstrong after Lance Armstrong admitted to using performance-enhancing drugs. We saw this with Aaron Hernandez and Muscle Milk after Aaron Hernandez was involved and ultimately charged and convicted with murder of his best friend Odin Lloyd. And we've even seen it with Rashard Mendenhall and Haynes after he made a remark on Twitter about the celebration of Osama bin Laden's death. If you look at the core of a morals clause, its primary essence is to show that a celebrity cannot engage in any activity that could be deemed a false endorsement by the brand. But worse off, the celebrity cannot engage in any activity that could cause reputational harm to that brand. So in the case of Balenciaga and CAA, there's a very reasonable chance that both of their agreements with Kanye contained a morals clause, and making anti-Semitic remarks gave them grounds to terminate the relationship with Kanye West. In the case of Adidas, there's no news yet about terminating that relationship, but odds are there may be a morals clause, and I think in this situation, they may follow suit with Balenciaga and CAA. So hopefully you learned about morals clauses and their importance, especially between celebrities and brands. Thanks for watching.